We just got in this 1972 GMC long bed step side. Do we strip this truck for parts? It is pretty rough around the edges. A little rust here, a little rust there. But could be built if someone really wanted to step up and save it. It is a GMC. It has the 307 V8. Power brakes, power steering. Looks like someone added aftermarket air conditioning. This was an automatic truck, but someone had put a standard floor shift in it. We'll come up to the cab here and you can see some of the rocker rust and cab corner rust. They're completely gone. We go inside the cab and you can see the roof rusted as well. See, it does have the automatic column and the floor shifter on the floor. Good step-side fenders. A good GMC tailgate to repurpose for a bench or something. So you can see there, old style Milwaukee's Best beer can. Overall, decent truck. Part it, sell it whole.